Everybody, welcome to our last day of our spring break camp. And today I'm just going to share with you some different tools and tips and tricks that may be helpful as you are bulk creating your content. So first step, we're going to go over to our content calendar. Okay, so if you remember yesterday, what we did is we created a content calendar. And in here, I went ahead and asked some questions in chat based on one of the prompts. And so I have the different columns here. And I did 4 columns because I'm going to create 4 templates this time, just to show you what that might look like. So we start off here and we have these kind of 4 templates. Then I've connected the 4 columns, because if you remember, we exported that data out and then we imported it, and I connected it here to each of these different kind of patterns or templates. And then I went ahead and just imported so that you could see how this looks. There's those templates, and I have the text there for all of the different questions that we can put into our Facebook group. My next step was to share, and I went ahead and downloaded this. It's going to first, you'll have to extract them all. And then now I'm ready to post into my Facebook group. And what's nice is I'm going to go ahead and schedule these so that I can just share them with the group. So what I do is I'll go and I'll grab the images, and it's actually ready to post because the question's right there. So I'll say schedule post, and I'll go ahead and put that on for tomorrow, maybe around 3 o'clock. You can also do this in a couple of different places. So I'll schedule that one there, and I'll do that one more time just so you can see that. So I did a new post. Go ahead and grab that one. And I'll do that one for Friday around 7 o'clock. Do PM. Schedule. And you can see how that works. Another place that you can schedule ahead of time is in the Meta Business Suite. So there's a planner over here, and you can just come up and click Create Post. You can post to multiple pages when you're in the Business Suite. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my photo here. I think we are on this picture. You can also connect your Instagram there as well so that it's kind of all in one place. And then another tool I wanted to share is something that I use called High Level, and it has a social planner component to it. So what's really nice about this is I can connect multiple social platforms. So Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. If I'm doing a video, I could put YouTube. I have Google on there. So it posts to all of those places at once, which is so nice. And all you have to do is click New Post. You can also upload a CSV. So this would be super helpful if I had my content posted on like one of these Google Sheets here. So all my content would be in one line, and then I can have the links to the images here and just post it all at once. So that's another really cool feature. And again, that's High Level. There's tons of different things you can do with High Level, including automations, creating websites. And we're not going to get into how to do all that here, but if you're interested, please let me know. I'm also going to be offering a new special that's coming out, and I'll be talking more about that soon, but it's the AI Academy of Awesome. And a subscription to this platform is going to be included with that. So if you're interested, just kind of keep that in mind. Another tip that I am just getting started with is using Notion as a place. It's an online component that has an app, and then also it's just web-based here. And so I keep my to-do list here. So all of my tasks and things that I'm working on, but it also has like a social media content planner. So as you can see, I've connected my accounts here. And then you can actually use what they call a page to kind of keep track of all of your content. And like I said, I'm just getting started with this, but you can add your content here and then connect it with like an automation so that it would automatically post. So just another idea. There's lots of different ways to kind of keep track of your content, but that's just one of them. So hopefully you have found this helpful. There are so many different tools out there. I think what's really important is just designing some kind of system so that you know from start to finish, here's how you're going to produce content. And I have found that batch producing is really helpful when creating content. So as we wrap things up, I just wanted to say thank you for joining me over the last couple of sessions. And I also wanted to invite you, if you're interested, to be a part of the AI Academy of Awesome. It is something that I'm going to be sharing very soon, and there will be a couple of different learning opportunities. So once a month, there will be weekly sessions where you can learn, and then the second opportunity will be content creation parties. And so we will have times where we get together and work and just batch create content together and then have like a community of people. So there'll be more to that to come, but I just wanted to give you a little highlight that is being released for next month. So if you're interested in being a beta tester, that's coming out.